Ka Sorkar jela kalathaw ya ka Rationalisation Committee na kabenta ban bishar benia ha kabayade baka jingdawa pynkiew tulop ya baro ki nongtrei jong kasama gra shiksha non academic ha ka jela kata watla kini kidkhat ki ba penlong jingaki kila rai ban beteng ya ka ni ka jingaki tat hadu baka jingdawa pynkiew tulop ba prapo persen kan urlong ka jingpen bena halor ka jingthong ya ki arpho ngot kidkhat jong ka committee ya kaba unclear da u commissioner and secretary u Vijay Kumar Mantri ru la IT da u menteri rangba ka jela u Konrad ki sangma sya ka kenhun ki nongmi khman jong ka all Meghalaya SSA non-teaching staffs association ha ka jingalang ka balalong hapo ka office tray kam jong u ha secretariat ha ka shitarik nailar hadu kumbakhat arspa ngut ki nongtrei non-teaching staff hapo ka SSA kila penlong ya ka jingaki shongkelan mungor hamadan malti hadien bakila kentat ya kara jong ka Sorkar ban pynkiew ya tulop jongki da arpusan persen na kalyang kini ki nongtrei kila yang skembet halor ka nongrem bandawa pynkiew da prapo persen na lor ka arpusan kat kum ka jingshakri slam hakakam bat san persen ka jing pynkiew ka ba manla usnam kat kum ka jing pensyai halor ki nyau teli ki kendon trekam jong ka committee ka jing pen benapat ba balapen mi da katanat puli puthi kala ong baka komiti kan bishar benia ya baro ki jingdawa ki ba kala yok pediang hadu menta ki bayade baka jingpen kiu tulap ya baro ki nongtrei SSA la ong ru baka komiti kan puli benia ya karukam siu jong ki weipat ha ka emlang ka saklang ha ka jela Meghalaya bat kan kedau ru ya ki rukam siu balabut ha ki weipat ki jaka puli ki bakum kini kata nalor baka komiti kan puli bat ajing mot ya ki sin jam ban penduk ya baro ki jimbam ya hap ha ka rukam siu hagi kerdan hakeleng ki district bat ki blok. Nalor kata ke komiti kan bishar benia ru ya ki jingterwa balayok pediang ha ka bayade baka jing pynkiew ka baman la usnam ya ki bakum kini ki nongtrei. Nalor kata kan perkhat ru halor ka jing syakri ka bala slam ban penbet ya ka tulop. Ka komiti kan ajing mot ru ha ka bayade baka jing penbet renti ya ki kam hagi kerdan baper. Kumju kan penting kena bagi jing betha bat ki kendon bala penmi da katanat finance na kapor syakapor deban but renti haba ajing mod ong ka jing penbena haba pediang ngobha ya ka rajong ka Sorkar ka presiden jong ka AMSSANTSA ka kong Jennifer J Sindram kalaong ngidon ka jing syania bat ka jinget ha u menteri rangba jongi ubade unongelam uba syempang ba unle ya kani ka Sorkar kam shim ya kapor na marbalingin kentat ya kiweipat ban kentup lang habangi yo ya kalat ban penti kena ya ka jingsiu ka ba markum ju na ka benta ka jingtre ka ba markat ju ya baro wat la kata ngin empat pensangye ya ka ni ka jingaki ka ba klembu por jongi tat hadu ba ki jingdawa kin urlong kenang bangin dan kam ban wan tiet ya ka jingkhang jong ka Sorkar man la kapor kala banram ka presiden kala ong ru ba chief minister udan ya ka jingtemu ban pen urlong ya ka ni ka jingdawa pynkiew tulap ka bala slambha kata ka bakhat du e ka bala le na du usnam arajar ka nrio shu kat kum ka jingpen pau jongka ka seng ka shania pura ha ka Sorkar na mar ka ni ka dei ka sin ka baningkong e bakan pen bet renti ya ka rukam trekam ha bakli ya ka daw bakim shimla dawa ban pynkiew tulap hakini ki prasnam ki bala letno ka kong Sindram kala ong haba pitre shitam bha bat phimdan por na kabenta ka ying kasam jongpi kumta ru ngimdan por ban penlong yi ki jingaki ngim sngo tanat ban penlong yi ki jingaki na marngidon shibun ki ki badai ban le shibun ki kam ki bala kenton ngi ha ban itho yi ki school ngi dei ban a yi ki jingaram ngi train na kabenta ki khandai lak ngot ki khanna school na lor kata ka pentip ru bah ka artrik ngi tho dia ka komiti kan sa syong ya ka jingalang ka baningkong banyamir jingmat haka bayade bat kanika kam
ya kendu ya i CM isa kontrak ti halor gani ka enhancement of salary ka jongi kadan ka jingya pher hapdeng ka jing pan ka jongi ka demand ka jongi mo kalong gumni ka dan ki member na pdeng jongi ki besha la sha kan tat ku musyong no nei ti kata ka daw ki ong ba inform the committee. But hakata committee in long chairman he commissioner secretary education. The member in long state project director is Jongi. Nang ta but kibi members na state education commission na deputy Deputy Secretary Education nang ta de na po samagra shiksha na do pa state hado ka district level. Ay pada berkani ka jingyashong sit in demonstration. Kanumpat kot kat bangin pat yo ya kan ka demand ka jongi. Nang iladap lot kini ki eru kanang continue kanang ba dala yo ki demand ka jongi yinsa penkot ya kata sit in demonstration. Yet give us the assurance on how much of the percentage will be calculated, but we will sit in the committee in which the outcome can be coming out. Always stick to our demands, that is 80%, 2% and 5% increment every year. This committee members will be held tomorrow, as soon as possible. So means we'll sit tomorrow. If any recommendation comes up, we can put up tomorrow itself. As of now, the indefinite sit-in demonstration will continue until unless we get the concrete thing which is related to our demands. We are in the sense that than to exclude someone, it's better we feel it's satisfied at one point of time, because all the members are from the association itself, inclusive of from the state office, inclusive from the education department. So we are all in the same loop. So now we will know how to get, and all the disparities will be correct. Some members, some of our staff who is at the block level are getting not even a minimal living wage. So in which we can now correct it. So we get this chance, and we will work together with with the government, with the commissioner and secretary, and even we will present this to the chief minister. As per the members are all from the committee itself. They are from the members in the committee composed of the members of the association itself. So we definitely will make it something happen at the earliest, because it is for our own sake. So if we sit late night or we sit anything also, we can do it. And it depends upon we have the trust and faith upon our commissioner secretary that things will be done. We also have trust and faith in our chief minister, who is a very good leader, a very dynamic leader. He will do it. So definitely it's not a buying time thing, because since we get a chance to eliminate some and to include some. So we get a chance of being equal to all, and we will also pay justice for equal pay for equal work. Reiterate the words that they have not included all the members all the non-teaching staff members in the proposal, of which we have seek clarification from our commissioner secretary this morning also, in which it will be withdrawn, because there only some staff has been included, which is not very justified. Since the committee, they have formed the committee of us, we will give the recommendation. Let us give the first recommendation to them, and they will also give us the timeline based on our first recommendation. We cannot say we are still holding a paper here, the notification we are getting just now. How will now only we decide anything, and how will we know also that will take about a month? So we have to take the timeline for the government from our part, from this particular committee. We'll try to do the level best. By tomorrow we are sitting. We'll try to do compilation and all by day after tomorrow. We'll submit it, and we will get also the written communication from our CM, how much time it will take. CM is very positive towards that. Other demands is, first demand is enhancement of salary for 80% to be clarified with, and then seniority counts to be 2% for every year, and then comes the 5% annual increment, so that we don't need to come and knocking at the government's door every now and then. Being the employees of the same government, we trust in the government, we trust in our officers in charge. So we didn't seek any clarification, because we know what is there. There are many loopholes in between, in which from this committee we are very, very clear that we are going to do something. So, and from here onwards, we will hope positively that things will be in order and systematic. This is the first time ever that we are going to streamline and rationalize the system. When you're working too hard, when you're committed, when you're dedicated, when you don't have time even for your family, definitely don't have time to go for this agitation. We are not interested in all this agitation, because we really have lots of times, lots of things to do, lots of work piling in our head. We don't have time. We go to school, we have to identify schools, we have to give buildings, we have to give all the facilities which is needed by children, and in our minds it is for the 9 lakh students in our state. So we're working for them. So if we don't give 100% of our efforts, where they will go in the future. So for that reason, we don't have time. We trust with our government that they will see to us, to our needs. But since they have not, we have written very at least 3 to 4 times to the government since last year, which it doesn't happen anything. So now we have to come to this particular to sit in the demonstration. We have to come for the agitation, because we see that if we don't agitate, people don't recognize our work, don't recognize us at all. 800 plus.
So if you trust the government, why don't you call off the strike then?
We cannot call off the strike until and unless we meet the demand, and we have to carry this message to our own committee members, association members. Since here we are only the executive committee members being elected by them. So we have to take this message to them, and we have to deliver this message to them. Then only we can see what the outcome comes. As of now, it is all included.